Alright guys, so I found a Ducati dealership. I'm in Medford, Massachusetts, but this is definitely not the dealership where I road tested the 899. So I'm just gonna go in there and check it out. What I might do is have them come out and take a quick look at my bike, and I'll emphasize to them that I'm gonna have the tires changed, the sprockets, the chain, and any little touch-ups or anything like that the bike may need. Maybe they'll come out and just kind of take a look at the bike and tell me what the value of the bike is right now. Alright, I think they're really gonna undercut me. Maybe 39, $4,000 at the most, because they have to make money off of it. They might even give me 4,500, 4,900, I'm just not sure. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in there and let's see what they say. This is definitely not the dealership though where I road tested the Panigale. Oh my goodness, I am not a city person, so I just don't understand. They said exit 31 on the directions, and I got off exit 31, but I was all over the place. Cambridge, Winchester, Arlington. Oh my goodness, so here we go guys. Alright, this is the dealership, but this isn't the dealership where I road tested the bike, unless they've moved. Carlo, hello there. This isn't the dealership you used to be at, right? This isn't the huh? No. This isn't the dealership you used to be at, right?
Yeah.
This is the same one where you had the Ducati, road test?
Yeah, Riverside.
Oh, okay, because it just looks different.
Yeah, we moved.
Yeah, you moved from that location though, right? Yeah. I just
last move, that's it.
Last move. Alright. I stumbled upon this. So, oh my goodness, I don't even know how I found it. It was like by pure accident.
Oh, it says Ducati on it.
Yeah, I know, and I went by it actually, if you can believe it. Well, I made it here, so I'm gonna take a look at what you have. Do you have the V4R? That's it?
It's sold. But
oh, it's sold? So how come it's like a part?
Because we just put an exhaust system. We're putting a lot of extras on it.
So more mods. Okay.
But we have the S. Most people buy the S.
They buy the S? Now what's that going for?
$28,000. This is a $40,000 bike.
Wow.
Without anything.
Right.
By the time it's through, this is about 55.
Okay. Wow. It's a lot of money. Is he going to use it for racing, or he's just going to buy it because he can? Because he can. Exactly. All right, let me take a look around, and then I don't know, I'm here, so I might as well,
Please do.
Oh, I have a great picture of you, by the way, too, from that day.
Yeah.
You're smiling, you're walking around, you're coming like, I was like here and you were coming like here, and it's a great photo. So I'll get it, and then I have some other photos as well from that day. So
I'll give you my email.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right, guys. So I made it. That is Carlo. He's the owner of this Ducati dealership. This is definitely not the dealership where I road tested the Panigale. But let's check it out, guys. So we got the Panigale V4S, or is it R? I think it's S. Really, really nice bike. Wow. Now I haven't seen these in person. Alright, so here's the 959. I can't remember if it was the 959 that I road tested or the 899. Really, really nice, guys. I don't know, they're like super, super hot. And this is what it looks like if you had caps on the mirrors, you know, if you remove the mirrors, put the caps on. Alright, so this is a 959 Panigale. I can't read that black, so you guys watching this would know what this bike is. It looks like the anniversary bike. Really, really nice, guys. Really nice. The Ducatis are very slender. You know, they're very slim. There's nothing bulky about them. Really classy looking. Hi.
Hi.
I'm just taking a look.
Take a look?
Yeah. All right, thank you. All right, so we have an Arai here, Arai helmet. It's the Corsair X. Check it out, guys. What do you think? Got some nice gear here. Really nice gear. Got the black jacket. It's the Ducati course. Really nice. Alright, so another Arai. Got a Ducati bag there. It's pretty cool there on the wall. Really nice. Let's check it out, guys. Got the Panigale V4S. Okay, so this is the S model. Alright, this is also the V4S. Really nice. Wow. Bikes are gleaming too, guys. Looks really nice. Alright, so we got the Ducati Monster here. Really nice. Ducati Monster. It's a pretty cool looking bike. Matte black. Got some Ducati bags here. Some suits. Ducati course suit. Some jackets. Ducati course jackets. An Arai helmet up there. Vector 2. Vector 2. Got a two-piece suit here, I think it is, yeah. These suits are really heavy too, guys. Okay, so we got some Ducati helmets. They're all Arise. It's a pretty cool looking helmet there. Some Ducati riding shoes. TCX boots. These are really nice here. Really nice boot. Love Ducati. Absolutely love Ducati, guys. Some of these monsters here. These things are incredible. Check out this yellow monster, guys. Really nice. So this monster here is sold. Really, really nice. Got some more gear over here. Nice jacket. Got some t-shirts for sale. And Carlo still rides, you guys. He still rides. So don't ever think that you can't ride as you get older. You definitely can. All right. Unbelievable. I don't know how I found you guys. What is the address of this place?
What is what?
What's the address?
83 Mystic.
Okay. Yeah, I stumbled upon it. I don't even know how I found it. I was about ready to give up, too.
That was 357 Mystic.
357.
This is 83 Mystic.
Okay, so would that be that way? 357?
No,
this way. Okay.
Just remember the Nissan dealership.
Yeah, okay. Now, so was it exit 31? Because I got off exit 31.
Same exit. Well, there's two different exits. You can go this way or you can go that way. Are you going north or south?
Okay. I came north.
Where are you going now? South?
Yeah, I'll go south.
South is easier if you go this way and you take a right at the police station.
Okay.
It brings you right on 93.
All right. Wow. Oh my word. I said I'm going to backtrack and I'm going to see if he's down this way, and I went there. I happened to look over. I actually went by it. I saw Duffy. I saw the DU, right? Yeah, I don't have a phone. I know. I know. I'm phoneless. I'm in like the dark ages.
Duff is where we used to be. Right next door.
So you're still riding and everything, right? Yeah. Still at it.
Still at it.
Now, what are you riding these days?
I have an 1199S. I have an ST4S. And I have the 916 that I punched out to 955.
Wow.
And then I have stuff I don't ride.
Right. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember seeing your showroom and you had those other bikes in the separate room.
I'm down to 12 bikes.
Okay. Wow.
I had 29 for a while.
Really? Wow. So you're a collector. You're a collector.
I'm 73, so I started to sell stuff.
Right.
You know, what's the sense of having all this stuff?
Right.
Can't ride them all.
Exactly.
Still can't ride.
And it's hard letting go, you know, because you had them for so long.
Yeah, I have to start a little bit at a time. Keep 3.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll end up with a multi-strada.
Now you don't have the V4R is the one that's with the wings. That's the one, but it's just the fairings and everything are off of it. Okay.
These are S's.
Yeah, I mean those are just as nice.
It makes no sense in spending $40,000
right
for an R.
Right.
It doesn't give you, for the street, it doesn't give you enough to make a difference.
Right.
For the track, yes.
Yeah.
But those are the ones that we sell the most of.
Now, what are those? 25?
28.
28. Okay.
They have full wall and suspension. all the electronics, same as electronics as they are.
Yeah.
So, what do you need?
Right.
I know neither's nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I know. It's want. Yeah. All right. I just, I'm glad I actually found you, because if I didn't find you, I would have been saying, oh my word, I'm going to have to go back up there, and just check it out. So, but I like this. This is nice,
This is actually better.
Okay.
Because in both of the other places, you walk in and there was a wall. And it was a bearing wall. So I couldn't take it down.
Oh.
Here you walk in and it's open.
Right. You get the whole showroom.
And in terms of space, it's almost the same inside.
Yeah.
That one just had a huge lot, which as a motorcycle dealer,
Yes.
I didn't need it.
Right.
A car dealer did.
Yeah. Because when I didn't see the lot, I said, I don't think this is it. I said, but it's got to be, so, yeah.
Well, I'm glad you found it.
I know, I'm glad too. I'm going to take a look at your suits over there.
Sure.
And then, all right.
I went to suction ball myself.
All right, guys. I like this. This reminds me of Snooge. That's Snooge's jacket right there. All right, so check it out, guys. These are the helmets I want to get right here. The AGV Pista. And you've got the Valentino Rossi 46 boots right here, guys. Check it out. All right. These things are awesome. Check it out, guys. Definitely would buy a pair of these boots. Really cool looking. But yeah, so I want to get one of these here. This is the Corsa R. And they've got the Pista.
Can I assist you with any apparel today?
I'm just kind of looking. I'm not, I'm just kind of looking. So,
Yeah, did you have any questions on the axial in boot?
no, I just saw the Valentino Rossi boot, so that kind of drove my eye,
Yeah, the replica's awesome.
Yeah, I love those boots.
He's a popular guy,
Oh yeah, I know. I'd like to see him, on the podium. Marquez seems to be the guy to beat right now,
I mean, he's been doing it for a while.